Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great week. Today I have the perfect summer backpack to share with you. This is the Small Dakota from Dagne Dover. All right, so as you have probably noticed from my past couple of Dagne Dover videos, I am obsessed with this polmelo color. It is a part of their summer collection, so I'm not 100% sure if this Dakota backpack is still available in this color. I imagine it is. Last time I checked on their website, it was, but their summer edition colors are starting to go on their website. So they're starting to phase them out a little bit as they sell out. So this particular color, to my understanding, is a one-time thing for summer. So if you don't see it on there, I think that they probably have it in some other bags, but just kind of a little upfront. I'm not exactly sure if this one's still available on their website in this color, but this Small Dakota backpack is one of their staples. So I think the Small Dakota is not going anywhere for a long time because they've had it for a while now. So like I said, this here is the Small Dakota. I have done a review on the Medium Dakota in gray, which I will link below so that you can kind of see a little bit how the two of these compare. I also have the Large Dakota in a beautiful air mesh pollen color, which I'm really excited to share with you guys. I actually haven't had an opportunity to really use that one. So as soon as I get that one packed up, I'll be happy to share it with you guys. Let me know below if you'd like to see a comparison of all the Dakota backpacks once I kind of review them all individually. This small one here is such an awesome size just for me. So this would be like running errands, running out without the kids. I mean, I could definitely use it for small kind of quick trips out with the kids, being that all my kids are older now, but I definitely can't fit much else besides what I have packed in here, and I really have the essentials that I like to carry at all times. So let's get into it. I want to show you what I have packed inside and share some of my favorite features along the way. So the Small Dakota here, this particular one is made of a really awesome neoprene material, and it has nice big chunky zippers and the rubber Dagne Dover logo here on the front. And then you also have a great grab handle here at the very top of the backpack. The straps on the back are crazy comfortable. They're so soft and nice and squishy. The back is also really comfortable. It's just really soft, and I like kind of the detail of the stitching and the Dagne Dover logo there at the top. While we're back here, I'll show you kind of two hidden pockets, which I love on this backpack, and I believe the other Dakotas have these same pockets as well. The actual setup of the Dakota is going to be the same across all sizes, just a couple obviously size differences compared to each one, so kind of keep that in mind. So back here you have two zipper pockets, and on the inside they go about halfway into the bag. So over here in this one I just have my keys, which is an awesome pocket because I always like to have my big chunky key ring, and then I have all of my keys, my car keys, all that kind of stuff in here. So all of that fits really well back here in that kind of back pocket. Then over here in this one, I think I just have a pack of tissues because they're just really easy to grab and kind of slim back there in the back. So this is a full package of tissues that I have back there. I do want to point out while I'm back here, my cell phone. So 9 times out of 10, I just kind of have this on my body. I usually don't throw it in my bags unless I'm theme parking it or at a park or something like that. But I did want to point out, I have an iPhone 11 Pro just for size reference, and you cannot fit it in horizontally here. It will stick out a little bit. I mean, maybe you can kind of shove it in, but not really. And then when I try to put the phone in at an angle to get it to fit, you have to really push it in there and it will zip. So you can definitely fit your phone in there. When I had my keys over here, it was kind of taking up room, pushing up against it. So just kind of keep that in mind. It's not like a perfect fit because this is the small backpack, but you can definitely do it. So just wanted to point that out. Moving along to the side of the backpack, you have two pockets that are pretty tight pockets. I haven't tried to put a water bottle in there. I don't think that I would, just because of the size of the pocket is very small. But you do have these elastic pockets over here, or elastic kind of stretchy bands. You could put different things on there, maybe like an umbrella or things of that nature, I guess. I'm not sure what I would use it for personally, but I love the look of it, and I think it just kind of adds something to the bag. So in this pocket, I just threw in my gum. And then over here in this pocket, you have the same thing, only you don't have those stretchy bands here. And down inside this pocket, I don't have anything. Yep, nothing in there, but what there is in this pocket is a small little ring. So if you wanted to use the elastic kind of key leash that comes inside and keep your wallet or your keys or something in this outside pocket and you don't want to worry about losing them, you can definitely attach it to this little ring here. It has a little bit of an elastic to it. So that's another cool feature. Moving on here to the front of the bag, you have one big pocket here. I love the chunky zippers. I think it looks so cool on the front of the bag. In here, I just have things I have to grab for when I'm out now, like quickly. I have my hand sanitizer in there. This is like a spray hand sanitizer. And then I have a little pod from my Limea bag that I have. And in here, I just have my face mask. This is the perfect little pod to fold it up and keep it in, just so it stays a little bit out of everything else in there. I just kind of keep it tucked in here and it's a great little fit in that pocket. So that's all I have inside that pocket. You have two little, like a big elastic band and then one that's a little bit smaller in there. And then you can definitely fit more inside that front pocket if you wanted to. It has some more space. So that's what I have in there. Moving on to the inside of the bag, I think this camera angle is probably okay to get on it in the inside. You have two double zippers, as you can see here, and they go down about halfway on the bag. So it opens up nice and wide and you can definitely get everything that you need. I'm gonna go ahead and just fold the backpack back just a little bit here, just to give a better view of the inside there, if you will. So that is what the inside of the bag looks like. You have a very faint Dagne Dover logo here at the top. You have two pockets here on the side of the bag, and then you have a couple more pockets. Let me pull out what's in the middle, and then I can show you all the other pockets in a little bit more detail. So you have one mesh pocket kind of right here that has my planner, but right directly in front of that, I have my wallet. This is the small card case in the same polmelo color. I love this little wallet. If you're looking for a small wallet, this is such a good buy. It has one little snap kind of button closure here at the top, and it holds a ton of cards, and I can definitely kind of put receipts in here as I need them, or even in this back area. It's just a perfect little like small on-the-go wallet. I went ahead and attached it with the ring that's already there on the wallet to the leash that comes with the bag, just for security reasons. And this little stretchy is attached to a hook that's over there on the side of the bag. The only other thing on the inside that's not inside of a pocket is this small little pouch. It's a mesh pouch, again in that same color. It came in my small hunter case that I have in polmelo. I love this mesh pouch. I think it's perfect for on-the-go kind of med things. This is a little pouch that I keep in my bags when I have my kids with me as well. Just kind of has everything that I need if anybody has like a bump. We use the healer stick from Perfectly Posh like crazy for like any like skin problem at all. I have eye drops, Neosporin, some nail clippers, nail file, my medicine, band-aids for days. So it's just a quick little on the go if any of the kids happen to need something out of here. So that is what is inside there. It fits great, just kind of tucked down there at the bottom of the bag. Now moving along to some of the pockets. Over here in this elastic mesh pocket down here, I just have a pen, and this is by Simplified Planner. Love that pen. And then I also have a hand cream from Perfectly Posh. The scent is the Juicy Melon and Coconut. It's really yummy for summer. Over here in this pocket, it is the same as this one. It has one little loop over here, like I said, for the key leash that comes with the bag. I just have my glasses tucked down in here. Not very protected. My glasses are so messed up. I really, look at that. I really need a new pair, but I love these. So one of my kids actually stepped or sat on them or something. So anyways, I have those tucked down in there. I don't need them all the time, but when I need them, I need to make sure I have them. So I have those down in there. Then back here in this big mesh pocket, I just have my weekly Simplified Planner with a stretchy band and my notebook. I love bags that can hold this, especially ones that are small and compact that have the perfect little spot for this, because I love to have it with me when I'm on the go. Moving the bag along this way, I want to show you a really good angle, if I can, of the pockets on the front of this bag, because I feel like the design of where these pockets are located is really well thought out, and it makes me love this Dakota backpack. You have one, again, like nice chunky zippers. You have one horizontal pocket down here at the bottom. And in here, I actually just have a pack of wet ones because you never know when you're gonna need those, especially around these times. And then I just threw in an RX bar in case I need something while I'm out, like a snack or something. So that's down there in that pocket. It is actually a pretty wide pocket. You can fit a lot down in there size-wise, so I love that pocket. Then you have two little pockets here. They're almost like triangles, if you will, but they're like semicircles here on this side. So you have two kind of easy access pockets for little things. And I just threw in my earbuds. I think they're nice and protected in there, especially because I have a big old scrunchie, and then I also have a hair tie located in there. In this other pocket right here, I just have my Perfectly Posh mint condition chapstick, and then I have some wipes for my eyeglass. So there you have it. Those are some little things inside that pocket there. I hope this review was helpful for you guys and you got some ideas on how you can pack up the small Dakota and get an idea of how big it is and what it will hold. I will have links to everything in this video below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below as well, and I would be happy to chat with you. Have a great day, y'all.